Want your home to sell faster and for more money? It starts with the photos. Hi, it's Karine with Weichert Realtors Tower Properties. Listings with professional photos don't just look better, they perform better. They get more clicks online, more showings, and often sell quicker and for higher price. A pro photographer knows how to use lighting, angles, and editing to make your home pop, so buyers can truly picture themselves living there. Even the smallest details, a bright window, a cozy corner, or a sunny backyard, can make a huge difference when captured the right way. So before you list, make sure your photos tell the story your home deserves. Because the first showing doesn't happen in person, it happens online. I'm Karine with Weichert Realtors Tower Properties, helping your home shine from very first click.